Welcome, this is Panda-Frog, and today I'd like to join the challenge, Mad Aussie challenge, and it is week 1. All the Australian lockpickers are supposed to pick just forgot the name, some difficult Australian lock, sorry, and I asked if I can pick this Abus 7240 instead. It has 6 pins, security pins and so on, and it's more or less equal to the one the Australians have to pick, and I can pick it easily with my right hand, but I have to pick it pins down like this, and with my left hand because it's my weak side. I haven't done it. It has to be in the vise, pins down like this, and your weak hand has to pick it. So I will get it afterwards. It does work. The key is, well, a little tricky, but it's a fun lock, so let's put it in the vise. And I haven't tried it. I trained it a lot with my normal hand, but I haven't picked it with my left hand, so I don't know how this will turn out or how long it will take. It's just weird to do this. I don't know if I can make it. I'm sorry. I have to rearrange a little. Alright, let's see if I can get any tension on it or too much or whatever. I'm glad I'm allowed to use a vise, because otherwise it would be even more difficult. Because I try to hold it in my hands. I'm such a clumsy person with my left hand. I will get it afterwards if I can pick it. It's just not normal, come on. Who can do that? There's some tension, there's some counter rotation. Can I do the other like this? I mean, so maybe I can pick it better if I feel like, I don't know, like a monkey using a knife and a fork for the first time. Okay, so let me see if I can get some. Sorry if this takes forever. I will put in the description the moment when I open this lock, if I open this lock. This is extremely hard for me. Oh, my hand's already hurting. That doesn't work for me. Let me try it. I have to find a good way to pick it. I'm sorry. I always try to focus the camera on the lock, but right now I just have to get it open. Ooh, that was a nice counter rotation. So we got our false set, the first one. Yeah, I got some rotation, counter rotation. think overset a pin, I don't know yet. I should have trained this. I have to find the next pin with counter rotation. You down under people are crazy with your challenges. I mean, there will be more challenges in the next coming weeks. I probably can't do every challenge because there is some special equipment involved which I probably cannot get here. But if I can make this challenge, I have to reset it because I think I overset some stuff. If I can finish this challenge week 1, then I will at least earn 1 entry, which is at least a chance to win some amazing stuff, which isn't revealed right now. So I'm afraid I'm going to break this pig. That's a forward set again. Overset. The forward set back, the overset is also not there anymore. Come on. There I got some counter rotation. I believe it's pin 4. Still on my forward set. There's my next counter rotation. This Abus, the keyway is crazy, and picking it with the wrong hand is also doesn't make it easier because you have to move around in the keyway. Come on. I mean, I can pick it in a minute or 2, usually with the right hand, outside of a vise. Alright, there I got some counter rotation. Not open. But I believe we're getting closer. Let's find the next one. I might have overset the first pin again. Yeah, it looked like that. It's also, if you use the European picking way, which is like this, I switched to the American way because it's easier not to overset. Right now 10 minutes and I haven't got it open. Yeah, it's overset. Come on, get out. Alright, so let's see. I believe there's some. Yes! Did it with my left hand and it is open. Ah! That hurts. Let's cut this thing just to show you. It is what it is. That was crazy, come on. Needed like 10 minutes to open this one. Left-handed, my finger are hurting a lot now. Wow, but I'm happy. Alright, so we got the C-clip here. I need my little C-clip remover. Almost lost it. It's crazy. That was intense for me anyways. Let's just turn it on. So the pins are... I don't want to lose all the pins. So there are 6 pins. Oh my god, that was intense. That was really, really intense. But I'm glad I made the challenge. So they're all standard pins in the 7240. Now let's pop out this little baby here. It's a spool. I'm going to leave the springs in. Got another spool on the 5th. I got probably another spool. Usually it's the first one is crap. I'm going to take out. Where did it go? Where did it go? I got spare of these, so it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter, but I will find it. It's somewhere. So we got another spool here. 2 more spools there. Spool. And regular pin. No, it's not. Okay, so I got 6 spools in it here. I might have pinned it that way with the 6 spools. I don't remember. I got it probably preparing it as a challenge lock or something. But as you can't see, we got a lot of spools in here. 6 spools. Okay, let's put it back together. I hope that proves that there was no funky business. Let me get out all the springs. It's easier if the springs are out. The crazy part about the Abus locks, or at least this one, you get the springs are a little too long. Alright, so they always look out. They're like standing out, and you have to set the pin on that spring that's looking out, and then what I do, you can, let me get a flashlight, you can like jam in the little the spool or pin or whatever with the follower, and then just push down with your tweezers no, I lost it, sorry. Of course it didn't work. I tried to show. I have to do it again. I'm just happy that it all worked out with my little left-handed. That was, I have to say, it was the hardest challenge for me. Oh, it didn't work. Come on. Where's the spool? Where did I... It is too late for me. I got extra spools somewhere. So I will... Going on my nerves right now. Sorry, it's way too late for me. My little son, mommy is... They're doing fine. Thank you for everyone who's asking. Then and again and again. We are doing pretty fine. We are really getting used to each other. We love the little child a lot. And he's a great boy. He really is. We love him to the moon and back. And he actually does look a lot like me as a baby. The other day we watched, or we looked at some baby pictures from my birth, and he looked exactly like me, or he does look exactly like me, which is a good thing for the first years, because everybody liked me as a baby. Nowadays it's okay. I can't complain. I mean, I'm married and got a beautiful child, so I guess I'm okay. Since my wife and I are very stubborn, it will be a hell of a ride with him as a little boy. If he is as stubborn as my wife or me, or both together, oh my god. But we will manage. We will survive it. We will... Oh, damn it. Sorry. We will make the best out of it. And actually, right now, come on. My wife and I, we are traveling a lot, but right now you can't. And just a baby boy like that, you have to wait a little until you can travel again. And actually we have to say, now I have to get an extra spool because I lost the one, huh? But the good thing is I got a box for that, I hope, somewhere. That's my little Abus box. And look there, we got some spools. And some extra springs. I will find this spool on my desk, but I don't see it right now. That's fine. I'll find it at some point. So again, triggers the Abus. Put it on the spring, block it like this, and then use the tweezer, get it down under the chair line, and use your follower to block it in. Alright, now we have to set the pins on this little thingy. That's the easiest part. I'm not sure. I had 4 logs from this Abus 7240, and 2 I have already transformed into challenge logs, but I lost a couple pins, so I'm some springs down. No, I don't lose pins. I broke some springs, I believe, and so I don't have enough pins to make a challenge log and keep one of these Abuses for myself. So I probably will not transform it into a challenge log. So I had like 2 challenge logs made out of this Abus 72, and one I will. What happened now? Oh, oopsie daisy. Okay, so let's put this back together. Screw brake in, and our Abus. Now it's already 23 minutes, but we're almost done. Alright, this Abus is back in business. So 10 minutes for picking it left-handed. No, I can't get this damn key out. Okay. So I wanted to show you that try this one, my normal hand. I'm sorry, my camera stopped recording, so I don't know if I have enough space on my phone. So I was saying, especially with this sparrow picks, I don't know if I repeat myself, but there's too much picking. My son is crying right now. I don't know why. Maybe he's tired, or my wife tries to change him. It's really late right now. We're at 11 p.m. And he's doing so great, you know. I mean, we can feed him like 10 or 11 p.m. and he will wake up at 4 or 5. Then he eats. Got a nice food set. Then he eats again really quickly, and we can sleep another couple hours. So another 3 hours maybe. So we get a good sleep. Alright, so It was a minute and like 15 seconds. And it took me left-handed 10 minutes. Alright, so thank you for watching. I hope this is enough for the Met Aussie Challenge week 1. This will give me hopefully at least 1 entry in this challenge. Thank you so much and see you next time. Bye bye.